Good afternoon, class. Did everyone enjoy their lunch?
Yes.
Very good. Now I want everyone to sit down and we're going to put on our listening ears and we're going to place our thinking caps on and tie it on very tightly. Let's go over our story time rules. Rule number one is Sarah.
No talking.
Very good. No talking. And Shannon, can you please tell me what rule number two is?
No yelling out.
Very good. And rule number three is no talking while someone else is talking. Our story time today is learning how plants grow. And since it is springtime and we see flowers are blooming, trees' leaves are growing, and grass is sprouting, we're going to want to know how they grow. Today's story is How a Seed Grows. The author is Helen J. Jordan, and the pictures are drawn by, which is the illustrator, Loretta Kropinski. How a seed grows. A seed is a little plant. It is a plant that has not started to grow. Apple trees and daisies, carrots and corn, clover and wheat all grow from seeds. Here is a tree seed. Someday it will be a tree like this. Here is a flower seed. Someday it will be a flower like this. Some seeds grow slowly. These are seeds from an oak tree. An oak tree grows very, very slowly. Suppose you plant an oak tree seed. You will be a father or a mother or even a grandfather or a grandmother, and the oak tree will still be growing. Some seeds grow fast. This is a bean seed. It grows very fast. It grows so fast that it becomes a bean plant in just a few weeks. Do anyone know what this is?
That's a bean.
Very good. And a bean can be a seed. Very good. Can you can plant bean seeds yourself. We use pole beans. You can use pole beans, bush beans, or lima beans. You can plant the seeds in eggshells or tin cans or old cups or little flower pots. Be sure that your containers have holes in the bottom. We use eggshells. We use a pencil to make a hole in the eggshells. We fill 12 eggshells with soil like this. We made a hole in the soil with a finger like this. When you have made a hole in the soil, plant a bean seed in it. Plant one seed in each hole. Cover the seed with soil. Can anyone tell me what soil is? With
Dirt.
very good, dirt. So you need a bean seed and dirt. Excellent. Sprinkle the soil carefully with a little water. Number the shells. Write the number 1 on the first shell. Put the number 2 on the next shell. And keep going till all the shells are numbered from 1 to 12. What do you think they're doing here with the soil?
Putting water in it.
Putting water. Excellent. You need water to help your bean seed to grow. Put all the eggshells in a carton. Put the carton in the sunlight on the windowsill. Some bee seeds grow faster than others. Our seeds begin to grow in 3 days. Your bean seeds may take a little longer. You won't be able to see your seeds growing yet. They'll start to grow under the soil where you can't see them. So we also need what in order for it to grow?
Sunlight.
Sunlight. Very good. water your seeds a little every day. Water soaks into the seed begins to grow. More water soaks into the seeds gets fatter and fatter. Wait for 3 days and then dig up seed number 1. It may be soft, it may be fat. Maybe it will look the same as it did before. Soon the seed will grow so fat that the skin will pop off. In 2 days more, dig up seed number 2. Maybe it'll look different now. Maybe the skin of the seed be loose. Now our roots start to grow. The roots grow from one side of the bean seed. The root pushes down into the soil, down and down. Dig up seed number 3. Can you see the root? Does it look like this? What do you see what's going on?
It's growing.
It's growing. You see the roots digging into the soil. If you do not see a root, wait another day. Then dig up seed number 4. After a few more days, dig up seed number 5. Something else is happening. Little roots will be growing from the big root. They look like tiny white hairs. They are called root hairs. Day after day, the root and the root hair pushes down into the soil. Day after day, the bean seeds are pushed up. The soil is pushed aside. Watch your seeds. Soon you'll see a pale shoot push through the soil. A shoot is the beginning of a green plant. A shoot grows towards the sun. Watch your seeds. Some may have come through the ground. Some may have broken open. Maybe some of your seeds have not started to grow. How many are growing? Count them.
1, 2, 2.
Very good. 2 seeds have popped through. The bean seeds grow fast. The shoots are turned green. The leaves come next. Now your bean seeds are bean plants. They look like this. What do we have here?
A plant.
A plant from the bean seed. How many of your bean seeds are bean plants? I think he has one in his hand. A seed needs many things to grow. It needs soil. It needs water. And can you tell me what else does it need?
And sun.
And sun. Very good. If a plant has all these things, it will grow into a plant. It will grow into the same kind of plant that it came from. An apple plant or a daisy, or carrots or corn. It will grow into a clover. It will grow into a bean plant, like the ones you planted. So there, class, we just learned how seed plants grow. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take our bean seeds and we're going to plant our own bean